Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 4 from the chapter measurements. First one, fill in the blanks. 5 liter and 535 milliliter. We have to write as milliliter and liter. Okay. We have to write as milliliter as well as in liter. Okay. First we are going to convert the greater unit liter to milliliter. For that we have to use multiplication. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Here we are having 5 liter and 535 milliliter. Now we are going to convert 5 liter to milliliter. So we have to multiply it by 1000. 5 into 1000 milliliter plus already 535 milliliter is there. 535 milliliter. Now 5 into 1000 milliliter, that is 5000 milliliter plus 535 milliliter. Now we have to add these two. Then we will get 5535 milliliter. Now we got the answer in milliliter. So 5 liter and 535 milliliter is equal to 5535 milliliter. Now we are going to write in liter. We are going to convert milliliter to liter, smaller unit to greater unit. So that is division. We know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Isn't it? Now we are going to convert milliliter to liter. So 5 liter and 535 milliliter. So we have to keep 5 liter as it is. Then we are going to convert 535 milliliter to liter. So 535 divided by 1000 liter. Now we are going to write as a decimal number. So 5 liter plus, here in denominator 3 zeros are there. So we need 3 decimal places. So from the last, before 3 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Before 3 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. Then the whole number part is 0. That is 0.535 liter. Now we are going to add these two. Here 5 is the whole number. Whole number means the decimal part is 0. Here in the second one, we are having 3 decimal places. So I am going to add 3 zeros here. Then 0.535. Now we have to add these two. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 5, 5. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 5 plus 0, 5. So 5.535 liter. 5.535 liter. Now we got the answer in liter. So 5 liter, 535 milliliter is equal to 5.535 liter. Now we got the answer of milliliter as well as in liter. Okay. Now we are going to write the answer. 5 liter, 535 milliliter is equal to 5535 milliliter, which is equal to 5.535 liter. Is it clear, children? By using multiplication, we are converting the greater unit to smaller unit. After that, by using division, we are converting the smaller unit to greater unit. Is it clear? The next one, 51 liter, 51 milliliter. Now, we are going to write as milliliter as well as in liter. Okay. So, first we are going to convert liter to milliliter, that is greater unit to smaller unit. So, we have to use multiplication. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Here 51 liter, 51 milliliter. Now we are going to convert 51 liter to milliliter. So 51 into 1000 milliliter plus already 51 milliliter is there. 51 milliliter. So 51 into 1000, 51,000 milliliter plus 51 milliliter. Now we have to add these two. Here 51,000 is a 5-digit number, 51 is a 2-digit number. So first we have to arrange it properly. 51,000 plus 51. Here 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 5, 5. Here 0, 1, 5. So 51,000, 51 milliliter. 51,000, 51 milliliter. So 51 liter, 51 milliliter is equal to 51,000, 51 milliliter. Now we got the answer in milliliter. Next we are going to convert it into liter. Okay, for that smaller unit to greater unit we have to use division. Okay, so 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Okay, here 51 liter, 51 milliliter is there. So 51 already is in liter, we are going to convert 51 milliliter to liter. So 51 liter plus 51 divided by 1000 liter. Okay, now we have to write as a decimal. So 51 liter plus, here in denominator 3 zeros are there. So in answer we need 3 decimal places. Here we are having two places. We need one more place. For that in front of the number we have to add 1 0. Then we have to keep the decimal point. Here the whole number part is 0. Then that is 0.051 liter. Now we have to add these two. Here 51 is a whole number. Here the decimal part is 0. In the second number we are having 3 decimal places. So I am going to add 3 zeros here. Then second one 0.051. Now we have to add these two here, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 0, 0. Then we have to keep the decimal point, 1 plus 0, 1, 5. So that is 51.051. 51.051 liter. Now we got the answer in liter. So 51 liter, 51 milliliter is equal to 51 milliliter is equal to 51.051 liter. Now we are going to write the answer statement. 51 liter, 51 milliliter is equal to 51,051 milliliter, which is equal to 51.051 liter. Was it clear? By using multiplication, we have converted the greater unit to smaller unit. After that, by using division, we convert the smaller unit to greater unit. Was it clear, children? The next one, 32.123 liter. First, we have to write as liter and milliliter. Then we are going to convert it as a milliliter. Here, 32.123 liter. Here, the whole number part. 32 is the greater unit liter and the decimal part is smaller unit milliliter. So here this is 32 liter and the decimal part, that is milliliter. So that is 32 liter and 123 milliliter. Now we are going to convert it into milliliter, greater unit to smaller unit. So we have to use multiplication. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Here we are having 32.123 liter. We have to multiply it by 1000. 32.123 into 1000 milliliter. Okay, here according to the number of zeros, we have to move the decimal place to the right. Here 3 zeros are there. So we have to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So the decimal point will come at last. So the number will become 32,123 milliliter. Now we got the answer in milliliter. So 32.123 liter is equal to 32 liter and 123 milliliter, which is equal to 32,123 milliliter. Was it clear, children? Then next one, 350 milliliter, we have to convert it into liter. That is smaller unit to greater unit, we have to use division. We know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So here we are having 350 milliliter, which is equal to 350 divided by 1000 liter. Now we have to keep the decimal point. In the denominator 3 zeros are there, so we need 3 decimal places in the answer. So here from the last before 3 digits we have to keep the decimal point. Then the whole number part is 0. So that is 0.350 liter. So 350 milliliter is equal to 0.350 liter. Was it clear, children? The next question, fill in the blank. Okay, here we are going to write 0.45 liter to milliliter. Okay, first question we are going to convert liter to milliliter. Here greater unit to smaller unit, so we have to use multiplication. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Here we are having 0.45 liter, which is equal to convert into milliliter we have to multiply by 1000. So 0.45 into 1000 milliliter. Here according to the number of zeros, we have to move the decimal point to the right. Here 3 zeros are there, but here we are having 2 places. We need one more place. For that, we have to add 1 zero at last, and then we have to keep the decimal point. Then the number will become 450 milliliter. So 0.45 liter is equal to 450 milliliter. Is it clear? The next one, 8.902 liter is equal to milliliter. We are going to convert it into milliliter. Again liter to milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Here we are having 8.902 liter. To convert it into milliliter, we have to multiply it by 1000. So 0.902 into 1000 milliliter. According to the number of zeros, we have to move the decimal point. So here 3 zeros are there. So we have to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Then the decimal point will come at the end of the number. So it will become a whole number, 8,902 milliliter. So 8.902 liter is equal to 8,902 milliliter. Is it clear, children? The next one, capacity of a coffee mug is 315 milliliter. We are going to convert it into liter. Milliliter to liter, that is smaller unit to greater unit. So we have to use division. We know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Here we are having 315 milliliter, which is equal to 315 by 1000 liter. Here in denominator 1000 is there, so we need 3 decimal places. So from the last before 3 digits we have to keep the decimal point, then the whole number part is 0. So 315 milliliter is equal to 0.315 liter. So the capacity of the coffee mug is 0.315 liter. Is it clear, children? The next one, capacity of the teaspoon is 5 milliliter. We are going to convert it into liter. Again, smaller unit to greater unit. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Here 5 milliliter is equal to 5 by 1000 liter. In denominator 1000 is there, so we need 3 decimal places. Here we are having only 1 digit. We need two more places. For that, in front of the number we have to add two zeros and then we have to keep the decimal point. The whole number part is 0. So that is 0.005 liter. 5 milliliter is equal to 0.005 liter. So the capacity of the teaspoon is 0.005 liter. Is it clear, children? The next one, story sum. Rajiv used 12 mugs of water to have a bath. If the capacity of a mug is 950 milliliter, how many liters of water did he use? Here he used 12 mugs of water. Capacity of one mug is given. They are asking, we have to find out how many liter of water he used. Okay. So we have to find out from the capacity of one mug, we have to find out the capacity of 12 mugs, which is equal to liter of water he used. Okay. So from 1 we are going to find many, that is multiplication. Let us start the solution. Capacity of one mug is equal to 950 milliliter. Now we are going to find out the capacity of 12 mugs. We have to use multiplication, that is capacity of one mug into 12. Okay, now we have to multiply these two. So 950 into 12. Here 2 into 0, 0, 5 2s are 10, 0 here 1 carry over, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Then we have to leave the ones place. While multiplying a number by 1, we will get the same number. So 0, 5, 9. Now we have to add the numbers. Here ones place 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. Sorry. Carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 9, 11. So 11,400. This is 11,400 milliliter. Now we got the answer in milliliter. But in the given question, we have to find out the answer in liters. Okay. So we are going to convert milliliter to liter. Smaller unit to greater unit. So we have to use division. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Okay, now we are going to convert 11,400 milliliter to liter. So 11,400 milliliter is equal to 11,400 divided by 1000 liter. Now we have to keep the decimal point. Here 3 zeros are there. So we need 3 decimal places. So 11,400. From the last, before 3 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. Then that is 11.400 liter. We can write as 11.4 liter. Okay. This is the capacity of water he used. Is it clear? Let us write the answer. Rajiv used 11.4 liter of water. Okay. See the question. Rajiv used 12 mugs of water. Capacity of 1 mug is given. From this we are finding the capacity of 12 mugs. We are getting the answer in milliliter. After that we are converting it into liter. So at last he used 11.4 liter of water. Is it clear? The next one. Aisha took a shower for 3 minutes. 9,550 milliliter of water runs out of the shower in 1 minute. How much water did she use? In 1 minute, 9,550 milliliter of water runs out. He took the shower for 3 minutes. Okay. So capacity of water runs out in 1 minute is given. We are going to find out for 3 minutes. Again from 1 to 3. So we have to use multiplication. Okay. Let us start the solution. capacity of water runs out in 1 minute. Okay. Runs out in 1 minute is equal to 9550 milliliter. He took 3 minutes bath. So we are going to find the capacity of water runs out in 3 minutes. Runs out in 3 minutes. So we have to multiply it by 3. 9550 milliliter into 3. Okay. Here 3 into 0, 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 here, 1 carry over. Again 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6 here, 1 carry over. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. So that is 28,650 milliliter. Here we got the answer in milliliter. We are going to convert it into liter. So we know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Here we are having 28,650 milliliter. So 28,650 divided by 1000 liter. Here now we have to keep the decimal point. Here 3 zeros are there. So we need 3 decimal places. So from the last, before 3 digits we have to keep the decimal point. Then the number will become 28.650 liter. This is the capacity of water. Sorry, she used. Okay. See here. How much water did she use? She used. Answer statement. Aisha used 28.650 liter of water. Okay. From the capacity of water runs out in 1 minute, we are finding the capacity of water runs out in 3 minutes. We got the answer in milliliter. After that, we are converting it to liter. Was it clear, children? Then the next one, Manu's family buys 1500 milliliter in the morning and 2750 milliliter in the evening. How much liter of milk do they buy in a day? Morning they are buying 1500, in the evening they bought 2750 milliliter. How much liter of milk they bought in a day? For that we have to find the total capacity of milk they bought. So we have to add these two. Okay. So let us start the solution. Capacity of milk they bought in the morning. Capacity of milk they bought in the morning. Is equal to 1500 milliliter. Okay, now capacity of milk they bought in the evening. Is equal to 2750 milliliter. Now we have to add these two. Here 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 7, 12. 2 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So 4250 milliliter. This is the capacity of milk they bought in a day. Okay. Capacity of milk they bought in a day. that is 4250 milliliter. Now we got the answer in milliliter. We need the answer in liter. So we are going to convert it into liter. So division, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. We are having 4250 milliliter, which is equal to 4250 divided by 1000 liter. So we have to keep the decimal point. Here 3 zeros are there. So we need 3 decimal places. So from the last, before 3 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. So that is 4.250 liter. So they bought 4.250 liter of milk in a day. Is it clear? So answer statement. Manu's family bought 4.250 liter of milk in a day. Is it clear, children? Here the capacity of milk they bought in the morning is given, capacity of milk they bought in the evening is given. By adding these two, we are getting the capacity of milk they bought in a day. We got the answer in milliliter. After that, we are converting into liter. Is it clear, children? Then the next question, a car petrol tank has a capacity of 55.75 liter. Here 10 liter 225 milliliter petrol is filled into it. How much more petrol is needed to fill the tank completely? See, let us consider as a tank of the car. Here the total capacity is 55.75 liter. Here 10 liter and 225 milliliter of petrol is filled in it. So how much more petrol need to fill the tank? For that, from the total capacity of the tank, we have to subtract the capacity of petrol filled. Then we will get how much more petrol need to fill. Okay, let us start the solution. Capacity of the car tank. Is equal to 55.75 liter. Here we are having 55.75 liter. See the second one, we are having liter and milliliter. So I am going to write as liter and milliliter. Already I told you the whole number part is the greater unit liter and the decimal part is smaller unit milliliter. But here in the decimal part we are having only 2 digits, 75. So we need 3 places. So we have to add 1 zero at last. So that is 55 liter and 750 milliliter. This is the capacity of the car tank. Now we are going to write the capacity of petrol filled. Filled in it. That is 10 liter and 225 liter. Now we have to subtract these two to find out capacity of petrol is needed more. Okay. So first we are going to arrange it liter and milliliter. Here this is 55 liter and 750 milliliter. Then 10 liter 225 milliliter. Here 0 minus 5 we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from 5. 5 will become 4. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Here 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So we need 45 liter and 525 milliliter of petrol more to fill the tank completely. Okay. This is the capacity of petrol needed more to fill the tank is equal to 45 liter and 525 milliliter. Is it clear, children? From the total capacity of the car tank, we are subtracting the capacity of petrol filled in it. Then we are getting the capacity of petrol need more to fill the tank, that is 45 liter and 525 milliliter. Is it clear, children? Hope you all understood. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.